Good afternoon. This is Brett McDonald with the National Weather Service in Riverton. It's Thursday, December 19th, and we're here to give you a little weather briefing for the weekend and the days leading into the Christmas holiday. As most of you know, today's been a pretty active weather day across the area. Here's a few images taken from the WYDOT website from their web cameras. Upper left is South Pass around noon. Got some fresh snow up there. Also over by Casper on the right, Natrona, as well as north of there at 20 Mile Hill right on I-25. Be careful while you're out driving. And even down on I-80, lower left is near Church Butte as you're heading from Green River toward Evanston. So we've got snow almost everywhere across the western and central Wyoming today, so please be careful tonight. And let's get into the forecast for the weekend and early next week. The weather system that we're experiencing now will be shifting to the southeast, so that for tomorrow morning we'll still be expecting some showers and activity around the southeast mountains, some possible flurries and stuff around western and central Wyoming, but definitely a little bit cooler tomorrow, clearing skies in the afternoon. But those cool temps won't be nearly as cold as we had earlier this month. So we're looking at highs on Friday to be, let's say, in the 20s or so. As we head into Saturday, we've got a batch of moisture coming down from the northwest in that northwest flow. So we'll see some more activity along the Bighorns and from Yellowstone all the way across western Wyoming, even potentially into southwest Wyoming. So again, mostly the higher terrain in the west and potentially again from, say, Green River over through Evanston on Saturday. Highs again elsewhere in the 20s. Again, still a little bit cool and expect some fresh snow in some areas. As we head into Sunday, we've got another little system embedded with that cold air in Canada that will be sliding down through eastern Montana and into northeast Wyoming. More of a little bit of a chance of snow for the northern mountains and especially for northeast Wyoming if you're expecting to head up there. But the central and southern part of the state should be clearing out a little bit better with slightly higher temperatures. And then as we head into Monday, actually we get a little bit of a break. That storm system moves off into the plains and we get a little bit of high pressure moving into our area. Maybe some really high mountain flurries out west, but actually quite nice. Highs in the 30s. Probably mostly clear, a little bit of warming on the east sides of some of the mountain ranges with more of a westerly flow, but potentially more breezy as well on Monday. As we get into Christmas Eve on Tuesday, we've got another storm system from the Pacific Northwest that will be starting to come into northwest Wyoming on Christmas Eve. And so the central and southern parts of the state will continue to see some breezy conditions, but as you head into the evening hours on Tuesday evening, expect for these slight chance of snow showers just about everywhere. So that on Christmas Day, that little storm system will move off down into eastern Colorado, and we'll get, again, that northwest flow behind the storm systems. We'll see another little shot of an impact potentially for northeast Wyoming later on Christmas Day, but temperatures will kind of go back down to a little bit below normal. So no big major storms looking our direction, but a little bit of variance in the temperatures. Here's a graph of our high temperatures expected for the next few days. So about below normal for the next couple days, warming up on Monday and Tuesday to normal to slightly above normal. With that high pressure a little bit coming in, and then on Christmas Day going back to below normal temperatures. But not bad. No big systems, but definitely some impacts to travel if you're moving around the area. Let's look at just after Christmas and into the beginning of the next year. The Climate Prediction Center is looking for slightly below normal temperatures expected for much of Wyoming for that period. But in conjunction with that, we're also looking at below normal chances of precipitation with that. So we're expecting probably cool air from Canada coming down, but relative high pressure setting in over the desert southwest, which will keep the real main weather systems out of our area. But please keep in touch. Just a note again, call us, check us out on Facebook, Twitter. We'll definitely be keeping up with some weather posts over the weekend, and expect a new weather briefing next Monday so that you can stay on top of what's going on across western and central Wyoming into this holiday season. Take care. Have a great day.